Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: a smartphone with gyroscope, a VR box headset, and the Google Cardboard app installed. First, remove bulky cases and clean lenses so alignment is accurate. Then open the Cardboard app and follow the on-screen pairing prompt. Scan the QR code for your viewer if requested. Once done, enable location and motion permissions so apps can access sensors. Make sure screen brightness and timeout are adjusted to avoid interruptions while you proceed to content selection. Now calibrate and configure for smooth tracking. You'll run Cardboard's calibration and align the central dot. This corrects lens distortion and ensures comfortable focus. Next, open your VR app and select Cardboard or stereoscopic mode, then pick the viewer profile matching your headset. Once selected, pair a Bluetooth controller if you prefer hands-free navigation, or enable the screen tap/magnet input. Test head tracking using simple scenes. Rotate slowly and watch for drift, and adjust IPD. Finish by locking the phone into the VR box and checking that clips hold it steady. Unstable phones ruin immersion. Put on the headset and set strap tension for comfort, then confirm audio routing to phone speakers or Bluetooth headphones and select low latency mode if available. If the image is blurry or tracking jumps, remove the phone, reboot the device, clear the app cache, and rerun Cardboard calibration. If problems continue, reinstall the app or test another VR app to isolate hardware versus software faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.